Hey y'all, Rainbow 34 here. Thought I'd mix things up and do something a little different. Today I want to show you Kizer Nice Guy. Very nice. D2 steel, 2.8 inch drop point blade, satin PVD coated. It's got flipper tab deployment. Got some nice jimping on the flipper tab. Got some excellent jimping on the spine of the blade. Even has pinch grip jimping on the blade, which I think is really nice. G10 scales, very nice chamfering on the G10 scales. Has a nice deep carry pocket clip, screws in set, and it is reversible. Got a lanyard hole for all your lanyard lovers. Decent pocket clip, no hot spots. You can get a nice 4-finger grip, or you can choke up on it. And you got plenty of jimping for when you choke up. Also excellent for pitch grip. Love that jimping there for when you pinch grip it. Access to the lanyard lock is very nice. It's not jimped, but you can get to it really well. It's got good smooth action. And it does have a captive pivot, but it does have screws on both sides. You don't need two drivers to take it apart. The actual pivot itself is captured, but the screws are independent, which is very nice. You don't need to be struggling with two tools to get it apart. It does ride on ceramic ball bearings. Very good EDC knife, I think. I love that nice belly on that blade. And it's a very affordable knife. Right now it's $29 on Kizer website. Of course, you can get the Nitro V version if you want to pay a little bit more, but this is very nice. Blade is very sharp out of the box. Nice action closing. It's not drop shutty, but you can get it closed good, and definitely do one-hand operation with it. All right, y'all. I just want to show you this real quick. Very nice knife. Again, another one of my favorites from Kizer. All right. Appreciate y'all checking out my videos. I hope everyone has a wonderful Labor Day weekend. And remember, folks, live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye now.